Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, behind me is a 2018 model 200 series. We've done a heap of work to it. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel and click the bell for notifications. The owner wanted to improve the drivability, especially the torque. So that's why he's decided to get a custom dyno tune. As well as that, we've also done an on-car chemical SOOT clean, and to improve the drivability around the gearbox, we've done one of our trans packs. So we've already tuned the 200 series, so I'll talk you through that in a sec. Before I do that, as you can see on the front, we've got lights, ARB bull bar, winch, it's got scrub bars, side steps. On the top, we've got a base rack as well, and running 33-inch tyres to it. The 200 series is going to tow a 3.5 tonne van, so we need to take this into consideration when we've custom dyno tuned the vehicle. So let me talk you through the results and how it all turned out. When we first ran the 200 series up, had 111 kilowatts of power and 532 newton-meters of torque, and that's at all full tyres in the all-wheel drive 200 series. After we completed the custom dyno tune, went to 146 kilowatts of power and 693 newton-meters of torque at all four tyres. This was an increase of over 30% in both power and torque. The gains you can see, very good gains from 1700 right through to 2300 in the torque, which really helped the owner of this vehicle when towing. But when you talk about all-round drivability, torque is what I keep saying is the most important thing, to see those nice gains in torque, because that's what you notice down low in the rev range. The owner really wanted to improve the all-round drivability, and the trans pack is one that really sees the improvement through the way the gearbox does shift gears. It holds the gear longer and it locks the torque converter to minimise those gear changes where it's going up and down the gears from 4th, 5th and 6th. The other benefit we do see is we can reduce the speed of the vehicle clicking into 6th gear, where we can see that happen at around 95 kilometres an hour. With all vehicles towing, we always say to our customers, make sure you do tow in 5th gear. We're not using the overdrive gear for towing and labouring that engine. So if you've got a 200 series and would like to improve the performance of your 200 series and better drivability, or just have any common rail and like to do the same for that, give us a call and speak to one of our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. Remember, we do have a dealer network all around Australia as well, but make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.